Hello everyone, welcome back to Toys channel. Today I'm going to show you the rest of the Hot Toys figurines that I haven't shown you guys. So welcome back to part 2.
Alright guys, today we'll be having a close-up look at the Hot Toys Boba Fett repaint version from the Mandalorian. As always, please remember to like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Marvel, Demon Slayer, Hot Toys, vlogs, Pokemon, PS5, Switch and other stuff that I like. At the store they have a gigantic scalp of the same throne sitting Boba Fett and it looks damn awesome. The details are immaculately done and they even nailed the small details on the throne such as the texture of the surfaces. For the figure itself, they have added in so much additional surroundings for the throne itself, including a floor piece for the throne that is made of cardboard, and they've even gone to the extent of adding in the very cool metal heads coming out of the stone flooring. 110% for the effort there, Hot Toys. For the outfit, you have the very iconic green pieces laid on top of the robe material, and I like the texture of the green chest pieces as well as the helmet as they give off the very raw vibe with the paint job and alongside with some of the weathering effects, and it looks perfect. Moving down, there is the belt with some pouches on the left and right side, which gives a slight contrast to the belt of the same color scheme. It works really well. For the hands, I love the red parts here as it sits well to repeat the red lining on the front of the helmet, making the overall color scheme look consistent, which also applies to the yellow knee pads as well here. In terms of accessories, you have a few extra hands, flame effects, rifle and a blaster, but of course you're getting this version for the throne, so I'd like to think that the throne is actually part of the main dish here. Similar to the big sculpture next to it, the throne looks incredibly well done, especially with the texture and paint job they've done here. The weathering for the metal parts looks stunning, and overall I like to give my other Hot Toys figures the opportunity to be sitting in this amazing piece as well. You do get a special bonus piece here, but as with all these special pieces Hot Toys does, it's a good to have piece but not a necessity to maximize the joy of playing around with these figures. Also on the back here, they have added in this additional piece of display. I think I'll be happy to take this entire box back home right away.
And that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching, and please remember to like the like button as well as subscribe to my channel for more vlogs, Demon Slayer, Hot Toys, Marvel, Pokemon, etc, etc. So see you guys next time. Stay safe and see ya!